Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make mochi donuts recipe. These chewy and delicious donuts are inspired by the Modo mochi donut. Let's start by adding all of our dry ingredients to the mixer. The key to this recipe is the glutinous rice flour. This is going to give us that nice chew that we're looking for in our mochi donuts. I'll leave a link to the full recipe in the info box. Bring the butter and the milk to a boil and add it right to the dry ingredients in the mixer. Adding the hot liquid will get the starch and gluten to start working and give you that chewiness that we're looking for. I'm mixing on speed 3 of my mixer, and I keep checking the temperature with my hand on the bottom of the bowl. We want to keep mixing this until it's warm to the touch, which should be about 4 to 5 minutes. If you add your egg to the dough while it's still too hot, the egg will cook and you won't have any rise to your donuts. Add the egg on speed 1 until it's incorporated, then turn the mixer to speed 5 for 30 seconds to work the starches one last time. And this is what you're looking for, a nice gooey, sticky dough. Then we fill our pastry bag, and the tip I'm using is the number 805. I'll leave a link to all the tools that I used in the info box. I make a 3-inch circle template to help keep everything uniform when I'm making my donuts. I put a dab of dough on my template to stop the paper from sliding around. I keep my dough balls inside of my circle on my template and do them in 4 corners and then just fill in the other 4 spots. This dough is really sticky, so make sure that you dip your scissors in mortar before you cut the dough, otherwise it's going to stick to the scissors. When you make the donuts, you need to make sure that each ball is touching, so when you fry them they stick together. Just make one donut tester and fry it to make sure that they're touching enough. Each donut should weigh between 50 and 60 grams, which will yield you 10 to 12 donuts. Make sure that your oil is between 325 and 345 degrees Fahrenheit. Then drop your donuts in on the paper, and you just want to wiggle the paper around a little bit until the donut comes off. Sometimes they come off the paper right away, sometimes they don't. I'll leave a full recipe for all the glazes in the info box below. They're so easy, a kid can do it. These are sprinkled with cacao nibs and grated white chocolate. These are the traditional powdered sugar and milk glazed donut, matcha green tea glazed, and my favorite, condensed milk and strawberry. Thanks for watching how to make these deliciously chewy mochi donuts. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.